Hi guys, today I've got an easy messy bun hairstyle using just 2 ponytails. To start, we're going to split the hair from ear to ear straight across. Put that top section into a ponytail, but on the last turn only pull it halfway through to create a small loop. Now take those tail ends from the ponytail and just twist them towards the head. Bring them up and over the top of the elastic band and then just slip a bobby pin through each side to secure it to the head. Next, add some texture powder to that loop. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then I'm simply going to grab 2 sections next to each other from the bun and start pulling them in opposite directions. Once you've done all of that loop, hold it to the head and pin with as many bobby pins as needed. Then we're just going to simply repeat it on the bottom, so start creating your ponytail at the nape of the neck. And then on the last turn, only pull it part way through to create another loop. Again, take your tail ends, twist them towards the head, bringing them over the top of that little loop and secure either side with a couple of pins. Apply your texture spray to the loop and then grab 2 sections right next to each other and start pulling them in opposite directions. Then hold this little messy bun to the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Lastly, I'm just going to pinch and pull at the hair at the top of the head for a slightly more textured look. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.